In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the screen timeout period on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the Settings app, and under Settings, scroll down and select Display. Next, look for the option Screen Timeout, and here you should see a list of timeout periods that you can apply. So if you set it to 15 seconds, after every 15 seconds, without any activity on your Samsung Galaxy A24 screen, your phone will start to dim and then it will turn off. If, however, you'd like to extend that timeout period, just go back to Settings, Display, select Screen Timeout, and then choose a longer time period. For example, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. And once you've selected a time period, you can just go back and then go back to the home screen, and it will be applied automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.